Simon says that now you're mine, desires vacation, free to join fine and plenty recreation. There are ways you would take it and please have good diversion. What is gonna stay till the Father time decides to change? Simon says that your mind is resting alone, but find the answers to things that you've always wanted to know. There's a tour of many places that you've always wanted to go. To me, it sure sounds best, 'cause it means I'll be this for you, for you. There's so much life for you to feel. Belted red, white, or yellow pills. My exclusion can be such a thrill. Please satisfy. Take a chance.